Hello. Today we will be going through the steps of how to claim your program in CAREAPP. If you work for, manage, or are otherwise affiliated with a program listed in CAREAPP, you can claim that program. You do not have to be the program director or executive director to claim the program, but Find Help does verify that the person attempting to claim is affiliated with the program. As always, you want to first make sure that you are logged in to your CAREAPP account. Of note, a single program can be claimed by more than one person, so multiple staff within your organization can have access to edit your program. Claiming allows people to take ownership of their program listing. After claiming, you will have access to a suite of free intake tools and can directly manage and update your program's listing. There are multiple ways that you can claim your program on CAREAPP. First, you can go to hccareapp.org/claims. Here, you would simply enter your program's name and you have the option to enter a zip code, and this will allow to narrow down the search slightly a bit. You also can scroll to the bottom of any page when you're logged in and click the Claim Programs button. This button again brings you to that Claims page where you can type in your program name, the option of typing in your program zip code, and hit Get Started. Today, I will show you how to claim your program directly from the program card. You'll begin by entering a zip code to begin a search for your program. And once you have the ability to search by keyword or program name, simply type in the program you wish to find. You will then click on the program name and simply scroll down. What we're looking for is the Work Here, Manage Your Listing. By clicking on this hyperlink, it takes you again directly to the claims page. It will show you a list of other programs that in some way resemble or could possibly be another program similar to yours. You want to indicate that the program that is checked is the correct one that you wish to claim. Once that box is checked, select I Work Here. And just like that, you've attempted to claim your program. Find Help will typically take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to verify your claim. They utilize your login email address to make sure that it's an address that matches that of the organization. On occasions, you may be able to verify your claim to the program instantly. You will want to check your email box for the Find Help verification email, and once it's done, you will notice the check mark just to the right of your program name, indicating that that program has indeed been claimed. Thank you.